Welcome back to Smart Car, the ultimate channel for car enthusiasts who crave in-depth reviews and the latest updates in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the decade, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V. This vehicle is not just another SUV, it's a statement of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology that redefines what it means to drive a premium vehicle. Let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade V retains the bold and imposing design that has become synonymous with the Escalade name, but with aggressive enhancements that scream performance. The blacked-out mesh grille, distinctive V-series badging, quad exhaust tips, and 22-inch aluminum wheels give it a commanding presence on the road. The LED lighting signature has been refined further, and the aerodynamic tweaks not only enhance performance but add a sleek, modern edge to the iconic boxy design. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering a staggering 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain makes the Escalade V the most powerful full-size luxury SUV in Cadillac's history. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, this SUV can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, an impressive feat for a vehicle of its size. The Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 and Air Ride Adaptive Suspension ensure a smooth yet dynamic driving experience, whether you're carving through winding roads or cruising on the highway. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends opulence with cutting-edge technology. Premium leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and carbon fiber accents set the tone for a high-end experience. The 38-inch curved OLED display, spanning across the dashboard, provides crystal-clear graphics for the digital instrument cluster, infotainment, and navigation. Cadillac's latest infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a built-in Google Assistant, and a customizable head-up display. And for audiophiles, the AKG Studio Reference sound system with 36 speakers delivers an unparalleled audio experience. Safety and driver assistance technology are also top-notch. The 2025 Escalade V comes equipped with Cadillac Super Cruise, one of the most advanced hands-free driving systems on the market, which works on thousands of miles of compatible highways. Other features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Despite its performance pedigree, the Escalade V doesn't compromise on practicality. With 3 rows of seating and plenty of cargo space, it's still an excellent choice for families or those who need versatility. The second and third rows are spacious, and the available power folding seats make it easy to configure the interior to suit your needs. Cadillac has truly outdone itself with the 2025 Escalade V, combining raw power, unmatched luxury, and state-of-the-art technology in one stunning package. Whether you're a performance enthusiast, a luxury connoisseur, or someone who simply wants the best of both worlds, this SUV delivers on every front. If you're ready to experience the pinnacle of Cadillac engineering, the 2025 Escalade V deserves a spot on your wish list. Stay tuned to Smart Car for more reviews and updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the curve in the world of automobiles.